Hello bachcho. Let's solve exercise 2.1. Question number 1 is x minus 2 is equal to 7. Okay, first thing is that you must know that this is called a equation. Why? Because there is a equal sign. Okay, and in this equation, left side of this is equal to sign is called the left hand side, and right hand side of this is called the right hand side. Simple. Right of this is equal to is called the right hand side, and left of this is the left hand side. It's very simple, and we have to find the value of this x. First step is, if I want to remove this minus 2 from here, then what I'll do? Okay, how can I do this? There is only one way. If I add 2 to here, then what will happen? Okay, adding both side, adding 2 to both sides. Okay, what will happen? See, I'll get x minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 7 plus 2. Simple. Now minus 2 and plus 2 will get cancelled, and you will remain with 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, so you got the value of x here. So the value of x is equal to 9. Simple. And solving the following equations means that whatever the variable has been given, you have to separate that variable to make that variable single and find out the values on the other side when you make that variable single. Okay, it's very simple. Now let us check our answer. Check, and how you'll do checking. Firstly, you'll take any one side, and let me take the left hand side. Here I can see that left hand side is x minus 2, and when I put the value of x, but I have got the value of x, I got the value of x 9, so I am taking 9 minus 2, which is equal to 7. And from here you can see that in this equation the right hand side is equal to 7. That means when I get the value 9 and it put in place of this variable 9, okay, x, then I'll get 9 minus 2, 7, which is equal to right hand side. Okay, so because I have verified that left hand side is equal to right hand side, that means our answer is correct, that is equal to 9. It's very simple. Okay, that means in place of x I can put 9, and when I'll put 9, then it will become 7. It's very simple. Now let me take the second part. Second part is y plus 3 is equal to 10. Again you can see that there is plus 3, and to remove this, I have to subtract 3 from here. So subtracting 3 to both sides. So y plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 10 minus 3. So y, this will get cancelled. So I will remain with y is equal to 7. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Okay, don't get this into your mind that you will get 7. You are also getting 7 here. It's not like that, but you are getting the value of y is equal to 7. That means 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Now check your answer, and for checking what you will do, you will take that side which is with variable. So I am taking the left hand side, and here you can see that the left hand side is y plus 3, and in place of y I will put 7. So 7 plus 3, and when I'll add this, then it will become 10, and which is further equal to right hand side. So I have verified that my answer is correct. Therefore y is equal to 7. Okay, now let us move towards the third question. It's very simple question. Okay, and third question is 6 is equal to z plus 2. Now I have to make this z single. Okay, I have to find out the value of this z. That means when this z will remain single on right hand side, then Okay, now how I have to remove this 2 from here, to make this 0. There is only possibility when I'll subtract 2 from 2. Okay, from this 2, if I'll subtract 2, only then I'll get 0 and this z will become single. So again, subtracting what? 2 from both sides. So 6 minus 2 is equal to z plus 2 and minus 2, and 6 minus 2 will be 4 and these will get cancelled, so you'll get the value of z is equal to 4. It's very simple. Okay, now let me check whether my answer is correct or not. So checking. Left hand side is equal to what? Now left hand side is 6 already, but I can't do anything to this side, so I have to take the right hand side. So I am taking the right hand side, and in place of right hand side is z plus 2, and in place of z I will put 4. So 4 plus 2, I'll get 6. Again you can see that left hand side and right hand sides are equal. That means my answer is correct. Okay, here left hand side is equal to right hand side, therefore z is equal to 4. Okay, now let us move towards the fourth question. Fourth question is what? 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 13 by 7. Okay, now again, what is first step? We have to make this x single because we have to find out the value of x. So what is how can I remove this 3 by 7 from here? Simply by subtracting the same. Okay, how can I can say how I can make this term 0 by subtracting the same term. So subtracting, whatever you are doing, you have to do that on both sides. Okay, subtracting 3 by 7 from both sides. Let me subtract. So 3 by 7 minus 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 13 by 7 minus 3 by 7, and when I do this, that will get cancelled and I left with x is equal to 13 by 7 minus 3 by 7. It will be 10 by 7. So I got the value of x is equal to 10 by 7. Now let me check the answer. Left hand side is equal to what? 3 by 7 plus x, and in place of x I'll put 10 by 7, and when I add this becomes 13 by 7, and which is equal to what? Right hand side. Therefore my answer is correct, that is x is equal to 10 by 7. These are very simple questions. Okay, and next parts I will do in Hindi. So if you really like that how I have solved these questions, then you can see the next part. Okay.